Hello and welcome. Have you ever had insomnia or restless nights? Are you constantly exhausted and unable to obtain a full night's sleep? Then you are not alone. It can significantly affect your physical and emotional health because millions of individuals struggle to obtain a decent night's sleep. But don't worry, help is at hand. We'll demonstrate how to improve your sleep in this video, along with some of the advantages that come with it. We'll go over advice on how to create a regular sleep schedule and develop healthy sleeping habits. The definition of a better night's sleep, in my opinion, is a deep, peaceful sleep that allows the body and mind to restore and recover vitality. It's crucial to create a regular sleep schedule and adopt healthy sleeping practices to get a better night's sleep. A good night's sleep should last for 7 to 8 hours, and you should wake up feeling refreshed and active. Establishing regular bedtimes and wake-up times, lowering stress levels, and avoiding bright displays before bed are all helpful for healthier sleep. It can also assist to enhance sleep quality to avoid coffee in the afternoon, exercise often, and avoid eating just before bed. So what are benefits of a good night's sleep? Numerous advantages for physical, mental, and emotional health result from getting a better night's sleep. A good night's sleep helps lower stress while enhancing mood, memory, and cognitive function. Additionally, it may increase your energy levels and help you feel more alert and productive throughout the day. A better night's sleep can also boost your immunity and lower your chances of contracting some chronic diseases. Last but not least, obtaining a better night's sleep may enhance your quality of life overall and make you happier and more optimistic. As a result, investing the effort to create a reliable sleep schedule and cultivate healthy sleeping practices may greatly improve your general welfare. Following are some tips for getting a better night's sleep. A. Establish a sleep routine. One of the most crucial stages to having a better night's sleep is creating a regular sleep schedule. Your body's internal clock may be regulated by going to bed and getting up at the same time every day, which can help you fall asleep and remain asleep more easily. Having a nightly routine might also assist your body in unwinding and preparing for sleep. This might involve doing something relaxing like taking a warm bath, reading a book, listening to relaxing music, or meditating. Additionally, it's crucial to establish a sleeping-friendly environment in the bedroom by minimizing noise, keeping the space cool and dark, and avoiding bright devices just before bed. Creating a regular sleep schedule might aid in bodily relaxation and result in a good night's sleep. B. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Because caffeine is a stimulant, it can disrupt sleep and make it more difficult to get to sleep and remain asleep. As a result, it's critical to avoid coffee throughout the late afternoon and evening. Because caffeine may remain in the body for up to 8 hours, it is advised to restrict or completely eliminate caffeine intake after lunch. In addition, it's critical to be mindful of caffeine sources that are sometimes disregarded, including energy drinks, tea, and chocolate. You may obtain a better night's sleep and increase the quality of your sleep by eliminating coffee in the late afternoon. C. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is crucial for general health and happiness and can enhance the quality of your sleep. Exercise can assist to lower stress, increase energy, and enhance daytime alertness. Exercise should be avoided before night, though, since it might make it difficult to get to sleep and remain asleep. It is preferable to work out throughout the day so you have time to relax before night. A better night's sleep can result from exercise, which can also aid to enhance sleep quality. D. Avoid eating before bed. A better night's sleep can be achieved by avoiding eating right before bed. Indigestion and acid reflux can result from eating just before bed, which can make it difficult to get to sleep and remain asleep. Large meals should also be avoided right before night since they might cause discomfort and make it difficult to fall asleep. Preferably, you should only eat a little snack 2 hours before bed. By doing so, you may be able to prevent indigestion and give your body enough time to finish digesting your meal before bed. As a result, skipping dinner before bed can enhance sleep quality and result in a better night's rest. E. Unwind with a relaxing activity. A more restful night's sleep can be had by unwinding with a calming activity before bed. Reading, listening to peaceful music, stretching, and practicing relaxation methods are a few examples of what this might include. Prior to going to bed, taking some time to unwind might assist to lower tension and get the body ready for sleep. Spending some time unwinding before bed can enhance sleep quality and result in a better night's rest. Avoid engaging in stimulating or energizing activities, such as viewing an action movie or playing a video game. Avoid bright screens before bed. Before going to bed, stay away from bright displays to improve the quality of your sleep and get a better night's rest. The hormone that helps regulate sleep, melatonin, can be suppressed by the blue light from devices like phones, TVs, and tablets, which can disrupt sleep. Furthermore, the stimulating nature of the information on screens might make it more difficult to unwind and sleep. Because of this, it's crucial to put away bright displays at least an hour before night and give yourself time to unwind and unwind. You may enhance sleep quality and obtain a better night's sleep by staying away from bright displays before bed. Limiting the use of devices in the bedroom is as crucial to avoiding bright displays. The presence of a phone or television in the bedroom can be distracting and make it more difficult to get to sleep and remain asleep. Therefore, it is better to restrict your usage of gadgets before night and keep them out of the bedroom. Invest in comfortable bedding. To improve sleep quality and get a good night's rest, make an investment in comfortable bedding. The ability to fall asleep and stay asleep can be aided by using pillows and a mattress that are supportive and comfortable. In order to improve sleep, it's also critical to buy bedding made of breathable fabrics that won't retain heat. Additionally, it's critical to maintain clean bedding free of allergens like pet dander and dust mites, which can lessen allergy symptoms and make it easier to fall asleep. A more restful night's sleep may be achieved by investing in comfortable bedding that helps to create a sleep-friendly atmosphere. In addition, it's critical to select bedding components that are suitable for the current season. For instance, in the summer it's crucial to pick materials that are light and breathable, like cotton or linen. You may stay warm and cozy in the winter by selecting fabrics that are heavier and better at insulating, like flannel or wool. In order to keep your mattress and pillows comfy and supportive, it's also crucial to change them every few years. Investing in cozy bedding may assist create a sleeping-friendly atmosphere in the bedroom and result in greater sleep. In summary, establishing a reliable sleep schedule and cultivating healthy sleeping practices are necessary for getting a better night's sleep. To do this, set regular bedtimes and wake-up times, abstain from coffee in the afternoon, engage in regular exercise, avoid eating just before bed, unwind with a soothing pastime, stay away from bright devices right before bed, and spend money on comfortable bedding. Additionally, it's critical to establish a sleeping-friendly atmosphere in the bedroom by minimizing noise, maintaining a cool, dark environment, and avoiding bright devices just before bed. You may obtain a better night's sleep by using these suggestions to enhance the quality of your sleep. It may be quite beneficial for one's physical, mental, and emotional health to follow the advice for getting a better night's sleep. Better sleep at night can lower stress, increase energy, and increase daytime attentiveness. A better night's sleep can also aid in boosting the immune system and lowering the chance of contracting several chronic diseases. The quality of your life as a whole may be enhanced by having a better night's sleep, which can also assist with your memory, mood, and cognitive function. Because of this, investing the effort to create a reliable sleep schedule and develop healthy sleeping practices may have a profound effect on your general welfare. It's also important to bear in mind that getting too much sleep can be just as bad for you as getting too little. For optimal health, it's crucial to get the recommended amount of sleep each night. It's better to strive for 7 to 8 hours. It's also crucial to pay attention to your body's cues and modify your sleep routine as necessary. Last but not least, if you are having trouble sleeping or if you frequently don't get enough sleep, you should seek medical attention. You may enhance the quality of your sleep and have a better night's rest by using the advice in this video and paying attention to your body's signals. If you found this information helpful, Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful content. Your support means a lot to me and helps me continue to create content that can help others. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts.